unfortunately I was unable to film from the beginning, but this is like the middle of my day. This is before lunch, so it's kind of a little bit hectic. I'm not gonna talk too much. I just want you to guys see how my day goes, like what I do. Like I told you guys in one of my previous videos, I am a medical assistant, and right now I just work for a nurse practitioner. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see, and also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And yeah, so I'm gonna get to work. I'll see you guys. We actually have a baby coming in today, and they are due for their shots. It's a little tricky, and also we have to go by a growth chart. If you don't know what a growth chart is, Google it. So yeah. And other than that, I'm just doing some insurance verifications, making sure that our patient's insurance doesn't have any gaps in it and they are completely active. And then also we have a new patient that's actually coming in on Wednesday. So I'm just getting everything together for that patient, just making sure that their file has everything it needs in it. I'm sending off some faxes and replying to some emails. I don't have any calls for right now, and I pray that it stays that way, but I don't know. I hope it does. I don't think it will.
Two hours later.
Hey guys, so now I'm just going to go and clean our exam rooms. We had quite a bit of patients today, and I need to make sure that when we come back that the room is clean for our patients. So I'm This room doesn't need too much. So what's going to happen is I'm going to go back and I'm going to sterilize. I already cleaned this room. I'm going to go back and sterilize the other room. I don't know why this light. Actually, I'm going to sterilize all the rooms because obviously they need to be sterilized. So. I'm just gonna grab some disinfectant from our supply closet because we always disinfect everything. Thickness, no germ, no nothing up in here. We don't like we don't like none of that. You're just like, ooh, people come in the office and they start coughing, and you're just like, oh my gosh. But you can't do that. You have to just like, you know, put a straight face on. And just, yeah. But it's definitely hard. I will say that because I'm definitely just so used to just not being around so many like sickly people and stuff like that. But I'm just going to disinfect the chairs out in the waiting room. Bathroom too, since we had quite a bit of couple patients. I like to disinfect in the bathroom too because you never know. And I'm not going to disinfect my work area yet because I'm not done. And also I am eating some strawberries, so I don't want that to get on to my strawberries because it's not a good taste, obviously. So my bun is still standing from my other video. After work, I have quite a bit of a couple things to do. I have to run to my other job and go and fill some paperwork out. I have to get a test reading and just a couple of different things. Today, this morning, she told me that she actually wanted to offer me the full-time position, and I'm excited about it. But I honestly don't want to leave where I'm at. I want to work like both. Yeah, because I'm getting used to my patients here, and you know, my patients are getting used to me here. So you're seeing someone like repetitively, you kind of like know how they are. Say for instance, today we had a patient that we seen already, and that patient doesn't like when the TV's on. So in our waiting room, we have a TV that's on just for the patients that are waiting, obviously, to take a look at. She doesn't like when the TV is on. She doesn't like any noise. She likes it just completely quiet. So what we did, you know, comfort her, we put her in a time frame where nobody else would actually be coming in. 2 patients was actually before her, and then so last patient of the 2 patients that was before her was at 9:30. Her appointment was at 10 o'clock. We gave a 30-minute window just to make sure that if our physician wanted to speak with her or them, you know, about some other things, that will give allotted time just so that she won't overlap the other patient. So the last appointment was at 9:30. Her appointment was at 10. We gave the window. She was fine. The next patient that was after her wasn't until 10:45. So gave that time just so everything won't overlap. When she left, she was happy, all smiles. She even did a survey for us. So she did the survey. We were just, you know, excited about it. Just when people give you compliments and they actually like sincerely mean it, it means a lot, you know. I would have liked to work in a hospital, but I mean, oh, I don't know if I showed y'all. I did. I showed you the lip gloss that I got from ColourPop. It's the So Juicy Gloss and Let It Happen. This lip gloss is so bomb. I wouldn't say it's plumping. It does have like peppermint oil in it, so it does tingle your lips, but it doesn't plump your lips. But it is, I like it. And it also, it has the like the gold reflex in it. And when you're in the sun and you like, you know, you're in your camera and stuff, you see like your little pictures and stuff like that, you can see like the gold reflex in the sun. So yeah, that's a plus. But I need to get back to work, so I'll be right back.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So now I have to go and check some of our inventory just to make sure that I don't need to put in an order for anything. All in all, it does look like that we have everything. Our supply closet is really small. Like I said, it's a small practice. So, yeah. So I am getting ready to place an order for some items that we need. And I'm going to...
See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
currently 4:05 and Boo Boo Honey Child is getting ready to pack it up, okay? I'm getting ready to clean up my area, make sure everything is good. And I have a couple of things I need to take home with me. And this is the book bag that I take to work every single time. But the good thing is, even though I do take it, a lot of times I don't need it, but I'd rather actually have it than to not have it. You guys try this watermelon by Simply? It's the best damn juice ever. after we log out all of these applications, so now I'm going to grab some disinfectant wipes and wipe my keyboard down. I already recorded the fridge and the freezer temp because we do vaccinations here, so we have to keep a record of like our fridge and freezer temps, just so that the company knows that, you know, it's not, nothing's wrong with the vaccine and everything. So I'm just going to take some disinfectant wipes and wipe my area down, because I don't need to be taking no germs home to my kids. It's not gonna work like that. Grab my charger. I have all my patient files out that need to be out, and I'm gonna head up. Click the lights off. Time to go. So I'm going to lock the door. That is my day. The perks of having a key. Oh my gosh, the daggone car is gonna be so hot. The sun is blazing out here, and I know y'all are asking me, why do I have on a long sleeve shirt? And my office is freezing, so I always wear a long sleeve shirt just in case I get cold. And yeah, I absolutely hate how close people park, like, to the next car. Look how close this car is to me. Like, the space of the and if I put a dent in that person's door, right, I would be wrong. So yeah. About to go. Now I have to go to my second job, so that's why I'm getting ready to head off to. Hopefully they tell me something good, because I'm really not down with the whole wasting my gas to come up here for no reason. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later.